much radiation. We'll have to go around.
Sniper!
Ah! Fire!
Tango down!
This is
Die
Alpha 6.
already!
We have been compromised. I repeat, we have been
Damn it, I
compromised.
think they're still
Enemy
breathing!
flanking on your right.
Give up! You're pinned! Fuck you!
More coming from the northeast.
Just let us pass and you won't die! Fire! Yeah, keep talking your shit!
Enemy moving on your left flank.
Drop that motherfucker.
That's how it's done. Let's go.
Drop your weapons and give up! Do it now!
Эй, импортный fuck off, понял?
Is this how you were trained to fight? You're pathetic!
Clear. All clear. It's all checked out.
Reloading.
Do you have the DSF?
Negative.
We've got to head for the extraction point. Move!
No one's left behind my ass. What's going on over there?
Keep moving towards the extraction point. Go, go, go!
What the fuck am I doing here? Son of a...
Look, need to search this. Maybe it contains something useful.
Collect everything you can for an operations playbook. Names, contacts, places, everything.
Let's get out of here.
We're wasting time here. We've got to head for the extraction point now. Wait, make sure these rooms are clear first.
What the hell? I hear noise.
Easy, Dottie. Easy now.
We got a rat here, damn it! Dead body over here. Down for a party?
We're with the LZ. Do you have the DSF?
Affirmative.
Good.
I got a
That's
bad
one less
feeling
loose
about
end.
this. My leg's fucked! Damn, I need a drink.